What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater, and I just wanted to give you another update about what we're going to be doing with the channel. I originally thought that we were going to dump a ton of content into this one channel here, but we started thinking about it in a little bit more detail, and we were thinking it was going to be a little bit cluttered up. What we're going to do is put more of our big installs. Like, you guys love theater rooms, and you love the unboxings and the educational videos. We're going to be putting that on this channel here, and then we know that you also enjoy the TV mounting and all of the wiring jobs and surround sound. So we're going to make a secondary channel called Dreamedia Installs, and we're going to cross-link the two. We have over 90 videos, and we just can't get caught up, and we don't want to just throw all those on this site and overwhelm you guys. So we're going to be making a secondary YouTube channel and uploading those there, where there will be every single day, 3 to 5 installs, pretty much what's going on here in our business, and then all the more cool, unique, all the theater rooms and the awesome high-end projectors and speakers and things like that are going to go on this channel. I'm interested to hear what you guys think. I hope that you like this idea and are on board. You guys are so supportive. We're so happy and blessed to have the support of this channel and all of our amazing customers. You guys are awesome. Now, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe down below and watch out for our channel that's going to be coming soon. It is going to be awesome. Well, this is the update. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.